Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm sharing a set of cards. I made these for Easter, but you can change the sentiments to make them for any type of card that you like. These are the pages that we're going to be using for our cards, and these pages are from your March Printable Easter Blessings. The good thing about the Easter Blessings printable is that it can be used for more than just Easter. So you can use it throughout the year for all sorts of occasions. The first thing I did was I just cut out all of the rectangles from my printable. And then I cut out the circles. First of all, I cut around each circle roughly, and then I cut around the circles carefully. If you wanted to, you could get your Cricut to cut these out for you if you use the PNG files. I chose 3 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock, and I'm cutting this to 5.5 inches. So that's 5.5 inches for your first cut, and 8 inches for the second. So it's a 5.5 by 8 inch cut, and then fold the card in half. So let's do our 2 green cardstock pieces now. 5.5 by 8, fold the card in half, get 2 from each piece of cardstock, and the pink one. The colours here are Oatmeal, Dewdrop, and Tutu from Kaisercraft, but of course you can use any colours that you have in your collection. Alright, so now that we have folded all of those note cards, let's just use our boning folder to smooth down that fold and pop all of the pages together in the cards. Now we're going to glue each of the front cover pieces on to our cards. And also the inside of each card. This is where we're going to write our message. Now once that's done, we are choosing a circular picture for each card, and I decided to put a little doily underneath each circle just to give it a little bit of more of a shabby chic feel to the card. You don't have to use a doily if you don't want to. You can just use the circle picture. It's completely up to you. So then I went through and I glued each doily to the back of each of the pictures. Now you might have noticed, or you might have seen in this video, that I'm using the lovely flowers that I made from this printable. If you happen to be crafting on a budget, these flowers are a game changer. Or if you don't like to buy a lot of flowers, being able to make your own flowers is a really good skill. It does take a little bit of time to make the flowers, but it's definitely worth it. So I'm going to use these flowers on this set of cards today, just to show you how they can look. And I'm just going to use one on each card. I've also cut some sentiments for each card. Now, I did make these last week before Easter, and I was just in the mood for making Easter cards, so I did use quite a few Happy Easter or Easter Blessing sentiments. But I also used a thank you sentiment, a with sympathy sentiment, You can choose any sentiment that you like from the printable to create any type of card. You can also mix and match the colours depending on what colour sentiment you think goes best with each card. Once you've chosen all your sentiments, then we're ready to glue everything else down. Now I have also fussy cut some leaves from our printable. These look really nice positioned under a flower. So I'm going to include a set of leaves on each of the cards. I'm matching the colour to suit the card, so because there's all different coloured leaves you could use. They all sort of match to a certain point, but you'll probably find that some match better than others. So experiment with the different colours of the leaves, with the different colours of the flowers, the sentiments and the papers in the card to get a different look for each one. I cut the leaves from one of the pages in the printable. There's actually 2 pages of leaves in the printable. There is a page of larger leaves and a page of smaller leaves. Again, I do the same thing. I cut around the image roughly and then fussy cut the image out. Our last step is to glue on the doilies, and then we're going to glue on our leaves, our sentiment and our flower. So the leaves go over the top of the circles picture, the sentiment goes over the top of the leaves, and then the flower goes on top of everything. So it's a layered effect. And then I added a little butterfly onto the card as well, and these were from the printable. So everything in these cards except for the doily is in your printable. These cards are quick to make and they're really great to have in your stash. It's always handy to have some cards in your stash for unexpected birthdays that might pop up. Life, it gets so busy now, it's hard to keep up with all the birthdays and sympathy cards and thank you cards. Okay, popping that last little butterfly on there. And let's take a look at our cards. So here we've got a little Happy Easter Bunny card. Open it up and that's the inside. It's very sweet. We've got our Easter Blessings card here. Of course, you can change the sentiment to any sentiment that you like. It doesn't have to be an Easter card, doesn't have to be a thank you card. Most of the images are quite generic, so you can use them for different occasions. This one I chose as a sympathy card. This one I chose as a thank you card. Oops. She's cute, that little girl, isn't she, reading a book? And this one is the bunny card. Now, of course, you've still got all these other images that you could have used. You could have changed to that one, could have changed to that one, could have changed to that one. You could make another whole set of cards because you've got so many lovely images here in the Easter Blessings printable. So you can change up the cards or make more depending on who the birthday's for or what occasion it is. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make a set of cards, a set of Easter cards using our Easter Blessings printable. This is a wonderful printable. It has 50 pages and lots of ideas. If you love printables, why not join me in the Papercraft Secrets classroom where you get all the printables and more tutorials. Please make sure you are subscribed on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.